In the first question of this exercise, it says find the volume of sphere whose radius is first part 7 centimeters, second part 0.63 meters. So we have to find the volume of a sphere whose radius they have given. First part is radius is 7 centimeters. Now we have to find the volume. The formula for volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. It means 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 7 cube. When we simplify this, we get the answer 4312 by 3, or we can write it in mixed numbers 1437 1 by 3 cubic centimeters. So this is the answer for the first part, that is the volume of sphere. Let's do the second part now. In the second part, radius is given 0.63 meters. We have to find the volume. So 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 0.63 cube. This comes out to be 1.05 cubic meters, and this is an approx answer because it is rounded off to 2 decimal places. So this is the volume of the sphere for the second part.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.